Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change status in ClickUp. First thing you will have to do is to go right here into this your profile picture, click on it, and this will show you what's your status currently. As you can see, in my case it is in a meeting. In order to change it, you will have to click on this pencil icon right here, and it will show you this window where you can actually change it. So click on clear status right here and then add a new one. In order to change it, you will have to add a new one. So click on focusing, let's say, and pick a duration. So let's say 30 minutes. And then you can also mute notifications with this button and out of office with this button. I will click unselect for now and press save if you are done. Now, as you can see, your status has been changed. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.